Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create an Amazon product roundup article in Gizzmo. Gizzmo is a powerful WordPress plugin with which you can create AI-generated affiliate content to promote Amazon products. If you haven't yet, I'd encourage you to watch this tutorial on how to set up Gizzmo. So I'm logged into this demo WordPress website. Click on Gizzmo AI in the left side panel. And these are all of the types of articles you can create in Gizzmo. I'll click on Products Roundup. And these are all of the Amazon products that I've added to this Gizzmo account, which are under your Products tab. Under the latest Public Products tab, you'll find many different Amazon products that have been added for Gizzmo users. You can use the search box to find specific products from this list. For example, I'll search for laptop, and it will filter all products based on the search term. For the product roundup article, you need to add a minimum of 3 products. So I'm going to choose this one, and I'll click on the Add button. It will add the product, and then I will add this one as my second product. So here are the 2 products we just added. Similarly, I'm going to add the other 3 products, like so. And as you can see, we now have added all of the 5 products here. You can drag and drop them if you need to rearrange them, like so. So these are the rearranged products. I'll click Next. In step 2, we need to enter some keywords, and you can enter up to 4 keywords. I'll go with Windows laptops, and then click Next. Next, we have some additional content settings like adding a product list, pros and cons, and star ratings. And I'm going to leave these as default and click Next. In step 4, we can monetize a blog post by using our Amazon affiliate tag to earn commissions. I've already added my Amazon affiliate tag here, but you can add yours by clicking this Add Affiliate Tag button. Down below, you have a few monetization options to add Amazon buy buttons and hyperlinks to specific keywords. I'll leave them as default and click Next. In step 5, you can choose a featured image. If you click the Select Featured Image button, you have a few options here for other images. I'll leave it as a default, so I'll close this dialog box. You can also use AI to generate images, but I'm happy with this image, so I'll click Next. In the final step, you can choose a language. There are many different languages to choose from. I'll stick with the default English, and finally click Save as Draft. It will start processing it, and this could take a few seconds, and once complete, you'll see a Save as Draft button, and then you can click that button and it will save this post as a draft. And you'll see this Edit Post button. And once you click on it, it will redirect you to the draft post in WordPress. So this is the native WordPress Gutenberg editor, but you can also use third-party page builders like Elementor. Yours may look a little bit different depending on the WordPress theme that you're using. And you may have noticed some of the sections look a bit messed up, but once published, it'll be okay. In this right side panel, you can hover your mouse over this image and then click the Replace button and select one from your media library or upload a new one. I'm going to leave it as is, so I'll close this media library box. Again, in this right side panel, you can add an excerpt by clicking the link and then adding it into this box. So I'll go ahead and do that and then close the dialog box. Again, in the right side panel, I'll scroll down and I'll change the categories so it's under tech. Further down, you can also add relevant tags. So I went ahead and added a few related tags. And finally, click the Publish button at the top once you're happy and ready to publish the blog post. So let me show you how the blog post came out. And here is how it came out. It looks a bit different compared to the other articles, but overall a nice layout. All the images and buttons have the Amazon affiliate link, and it also has star ratings which have been pulled directly from Amazon. It's recommended that you review and edit the content of the article rather than just using it as is. You can check the link in the description section. You can try Gizzmo for free. Check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.